Hello everyone. Today we are demonstrating the training on the PPR pipes welding. So we'll be passing through all the procedures one by one, where we'll be explaining thoroughly each stage. First of all, we have to start by marking the line. We have a PPR Interplast pipe from Greece. We will start by marking the length that we need to cut. Here, for example, we decided to have a 20 mm pipe, Interplast SDR 7.4. We will start by marking the line. We decided here we need 50 centimeters, which is 500 mm. We start by marking. And then, of course, we have here the special cutter that comes with the welding machine set. We have to make sure that we fix the pipe, and then throughout the cut we make sure that we have a straight cut where it is 100% straight, to make sure that we have a perfect welding. Most important thing is to have a fix, and then we start by cutting to have a straight cut. This is now the second stage, which is related to the welding. After cutting the pipe with the sizes that we need based on the instruction we give, first of all we need to make sure that the setup of the welding is as the following. We have a welding machine by Interplast. Make sure that it's Interplast, and we need to arrange the following arrangement. The temperature has to be assigned to 260 exactly, and as per the manufacturer requirement, it can be between 260 till 280 based on the ambient temperature that we have. We have a normal ambient temperature around the 30s, so we are in good condition to stick to the 260. The next step is to install the heads that we need. Here we have a 20 mm pipe, and we have already a T here where we'll be arranging the welding. Most important thing now is to go and check the penetration depth. Here it's as per the manufacturer 20 mm, it's requiring 14 mm penetration depth, and pipe dimension 20 mm, penetration depth 5 seconds. If you check, we already marked the 14 mm here as per the requirement of the manufacturer. We need to make sure that all the surfaces are clean, because having any dust will lead to a non-successful joint. We are talking here about the fittings that we need to weld to. We need to make sure all the surfaces are clean, and then we come to the allocated welding heads. Now here it's the part related to the fittings, and here it's the part related to the pipe. We need to make sure that we don't exceed the 5 seconds after penetrating. So here we go. After we remove this, and when we penetrate it inside, we need to make sure that we do not exceed the marked level. And here is as per what is goes. Most important thing for the machine is that the machine is always turned on. It turns off when we reach to 260, and it turns on when we are going below 260 degrees for the setup. So here we go. We need to make sure that we are penetrating together the pipes and the fittings, and we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we remove, and then we do the penetration. We need to make sure that we do not exceed. We need to make sure our hand is going straight, and then afterward, after pushing, we are already okay. We have a cooling time, a minimum requirement cooling time. Most important thing is to have the successful 2 beads or the 2 lips here, to make sure that what we have is 100%. Now, after we already finished successfully the double beads of the 20 mm, we are going to the second dimension, which we already fixed here, the welding heads. We are talking about the 25. Also, we need to make sure that the temperature set is at 260 degrees as per the manufacturer recommendation. Here, checking for the 25 mm pipe dimension, we have a penetration depth of 16 mm, and here we are talking about a penetration depth in seconds of 7 seconds, where we'll be counting 7 seconds after having the penetration. Most important thing is that we start first by marking. This is the 16 mm exactly, and it's already been marked, as you can see here. This is the marking. This marking, need to make sure that we don't go beyond this point at all. Now, as per the first welding we did, we will go with the same stage. We need to make sure that the welding machine is on and the heating has already been taking place, and the machine is at exactly 260 degrees. Most important thing again, cleaning. Cleaning is very important, because always, as we say, dust will lead to non-successful joints. So this is what we will be doing by Interplast recommendation. We need to make sure that this fittings already having Interplast welding machine. So we'll start the same thing we did there, we'll be doing here again and again. We go together in this way. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we take out, and then gently we go inside. We press gently till we reach the double beads that we are seeing here, which is going two lips perfectly, the double beads. We need to make sure we go very straight, and then in order to have a successful joint. Thanks.